Hello. Harmony Zone welcomes you gently here and now. Here you are seen, heard, and safe. Take a moment to settle in comfortably and allow your body to settle into a posture of rest. After an activation, an emotion, or a trigger, there sometimes remains a subtle trace in the way you speak to yourself. The body perceives your inner tone long before the words. A harsh or hurried voice maintains tension. A respectful voice allows the body to close again in safety. Borrow a gentle way of speaking for your inner voice. Speak to yourself gently, as you would to someone you love. I see you. You did your best. I am with you. You are enough. Allow each word to resonate in your body, in your chest, your belly, your shoulders. If you can, stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Take a deep breath. Feel your body. And say these sentences gently. I see you. You did your best. I am with you. You are enough. Well done. Notice what begins to relax. Your jaw, your shoulders, your back. Your body receives the respect and the love you are offering it. Again, in front of the mirror, say, I love you. I trust you. I honor you. I value you. Yes. Respect is not only a positive thought, it is felt in the body. You do not need to believe it immediately. It is enough that the tone of your voice and your intention are sincere. That's enough. Breathe. Feel. And when you feel ready, return gently, bringing with you the ability to speak to yourself with love and respect whenever you need it. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. Remember, here in Harmony Zone, you can always return to speak to yourself with respect, in calm, and in gentleness.